amazing. First thing, this white dog come here to just separate two loving dogs. This white dog is a raper. I'm sorry, I think rapist. Looks like just stuck together. They stuck together. I had seen two dogs stuck together before, but never seen three dogs fighting. Actually, two male dogs fighting for a female dog. Apparently, this female dog does not like this white dog at all. So, this brown female dog was being raped.
I am a work in progress. Walden.
They stuck. I was very worried about these first pair of dogs, the first male dog. Previously, I thought this red coat dog was the female dog, but actually, he's the male dog. I was worried maybe the male dog, its dick would be hurt, but it looks fine. Now it looks fine. This animal's just amazing. If two human beings doing like this, I'm sure the man's dick would be broke, twisted around, it would be broke to two pieces. I wish my dick was as strong as theirs. See, they don't love each other. Apparently, this female dog does not like this male dog at all. It wanted to go, but it got stuck by the white dog's dick. Let's see what will end. This red coat dog, this red dog, it looks like she still got a feeling for the brown dog, for the female dog. Why they got stuck? They got stuck so tightly. Okay, I pause a bit, I will go to the other end of this quilt. it's good they didn't pay any attention to me, so I can take this amazing video. They do not enjoy the sex. The little male dog, I believe it wants to be a part of it. I remember in a movie some women said boys are pigs, but I think boys are dogs. This relationship can depict very vividly about three human beings tangled in a relationship, two men fighting for women. The stronger would win. I'll pause a little bit. I'll not pause. I'll just go around this curtain. Oh, they separated. Okay. Hey, they run away. Left this white dog behind. Okay. I'll leave them alone. Bye bye.